Dentures are an expensive undertaking, especially when you're on a limited budget. Prices vary widely from country to country. It can be a daunting task in trying to choose the right choice that is suited to the needs of your pocket and your requirements. In this short video, we'll look at the cost of dentures across Europe as well as Turkey, both of which are two top destinations in the field of dental tourism. Dentures are the most common option to those who've lost teeth because of and/or injury or even decay. They're artificial teeth as well as gums created to match your mouth patient. They can be fully or partially, based upon the number of teeth that must be changed. Dentures prices can differ in accordance with the materials used and the amount of work involved in the dental case, and also the place of the dental clinic. In Europe, prices for dentures can vary from $300 up to a whopping $3,000 for each arch, dependent upon the type of denture and the dental clinic that you pick. States like Germany, France, and the UK generally have more expensive cost of dentures compared with Eastern European countries like Hungary, Poland, and the Czech Republic. Overall, Western European countries have higher prices for labor and materials, and this is reflected in the prices of dentures. Turkey, however, on the other hand, has emerged as the most sought-after location in dental tourism thanks to its low prices and quality dental services. The cost of dentures in Turkey is ranging from $1,500 to $200 per arch. This makes Turkey an economical choice compared to a lot of European nations. Lower costs in Turkey are due to the low labor and material expenses, and also government incentives that encourage foreign patients. If you are evaluating the cost for dentures in Europe and Turkey when comparing prices for dentures in Turkey and Europe, it's important to look at not only costs, but also high quality of the care provided and the knowledge of the dental experts. If a dentist's office has low prices, it does not suggest that they will provide less standard of dental care. It's essential to do the research, look up reviews, and request advice to make sure that you're receiving the top quality of care for your dental requirements. Dentures can be suitable for patients looking to substitute missing teeth. However, prices for dentures may be quite different depending on the place you reside. Even though European nations provide high-quality dental treatment, they generally have more expensive prices in comparison to Turkey. Turkey has grown to be a well-known location for dental tourism thanks to the affordable costs and highly regarded dental practitioners. If you look at the cost of dentures available in Europe as well as Turkey and Europe, you will be able to choose an option that best suits the needs of your family and finances. Be aware that it's important to prioritize quality treatment over price when it comes to the health of your teeth.